day. Want you to know this all of me. I say you this now. All the osmosis, so much so I become irritating of it. Of all the noises, all the trash in the nature that people make with this annoying, arrogant holiday. Very much animals, a lot of them have a very sensitive hearing system. It can make these animals terrified for all the noises. Cats and dogs, for one example, try to hide away from these voice noises. How will you feel if somebody's screaming your eye? How will you feel if somebody's screaming your ears? How will you feel if somebody screaming your ears day after day? There also gets a lot of problems from these harsh noises. Horses and horses also get problems from this. Oh, 'cause they're it can also a lot better here than humans. This arrogant, condemned by humans. Some selfish, narcissistic and unnecessary thing. Why have you always used that arrogant thing, making extremely harsh noises? Why using illegal firework that can make extremely harsh noises to annoy others? Why? What's so funny about making extremely harsh noises? Be you fucked in the head? Think occasional on the suffering or space of the sight. Douchebags. What makes it sense? Why humans always want to do stupid things? 99% of the time humans want to do stupid things. I will be so harsh as the truth and so uncompromisable as justice. And in the end you will see I was right. People have to learn to also not think about the needs of humans, but also about the needs of other animals. All animals being sentient creatures with a nervous system that deserve their respect and don't deserve to be treated like dumb automatons. They have their own needs, they have their own dislikes, and humans have to respect that. A shame on them. On the one that don't want to understand it, because I don't believe that you can't understand that. awaken humanity. This is not only a fun place, there have also rules, and not only corporate rules made up by the rich cocksuckers of this planet that suck you down, that want to let you believe in automaton stories of unimportant bullshit propaganda. I think it is totally unnecessary, and I will not take anything back. You can disagree or agree with me, but I been right, and you be still wrong.